Hello guys, welcome to this video. This video is about how to know whether a number is an even or odd. Okay, let's start by giving an input, user input, enter a number. So here I'm giving an input which takes a number. But is this a right way to input a number? That is wrong way, because this input only takes strings, not an integer. So if you want an integer, you have to give it as int. Let's close this. Yeah, now it will take all the integers which you want here. So let's move on to the next step, which is writing the if condition. If a mod 2 does not equal to 0, print the number is odd. Okay, here it is throwing an error. Okay, only one equals. Okay, so why I have given here the number is odd? Because a mod 2 does not equal to 0. So if I give a as 3 mod 2 means the remainder will be 1. 1 is not equal to 0. So 3 is an odd number. So that is the reason why I have given the print statement as the number is odd. So that's the reason. Okay, next we'll write the other statement, which is elif a mod 2 double equal to 0. Print, obviously this is an even number. The number is even. Okay, so this is how you write two statements. You can also put it as else. Instead of writing this a mod 2 again, writing these conditions, you can simply put it as else. That's up to you. You can write either this way or using the elif statement. Anything is good to go. So let's save this and let's run this. And here you can see it is asking enter a number. Okay, let's give some space here first. Okay, so it is throwing an error. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, now it looks far better. So I'll enter a number here. Let's say 5. See, it is giving as the number is odd. Of course, 5 is odd number, right? Okay, next we'll try 10. See, it is showing as the number is even. Next, let's say 100. The number is even. Next, 74. So it is showing as even. Let's say 79. So the number is odd. So this is how you can know whether the number is odd or even. Yeah, this is a very simple method to know whether a number is odd or an even number. Yeah, thank you.